Hello, and welcome to another video. This is the third video in the mini-series, and it'll be going over how to set up data files and convert Excel files into CSV format. If data files are sent as Excel spreadsheets, save them as CSVs by going to File, Save As or Save a Copy, and then in the drop-down menu, beside the Save button, click CSV, delimited, and then hit Save. And in the event that the Excel spreadsheet has multiple tabs, which was the case in this file, you can use a tool to make this process much quicker. The tool is called the Excel Archival tool, and this is what it looks like. This tool was provided to me by Carrie Breton from the University of Guelph Library, and it is on a general public license, which is a copyright license for software and other kinds of work. I will make sure to post a link to give attribution to the creator of this software in the transcript of this video. To use the tool, begin by selecting the Select Source tab, which brings you to this pop-up menu, and you select the Excel spreadsheet that you want to convert into multiple CSV files. So in this case, we'll click on this one here, and then click OK. And then underneath the Select Source tab, click the Select Designation Folder tab to designate where you want the CSVs to be put into, so the folder that you want them to go into. So again, let's click this and hit OK. And as you can see in the Select Your Desired Outputs column, all the boxes are checked off, so we only want to have the raw spreadsheet data as a CSV checked off, so you can uncheck the cell formulas, charts and figures, and the visual representation. Once you're done with all that, you can hit the click on the Begin button, and in your selected folder, it'll generate the files as separate CSVs, as is the case here. It's important to keep in mind that when the Excel Archival tool generates these CSVs, it typically gives it a much lengthier name. I've shortened these down to meet that 25 character limit for ingesting onto Borealis. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video in this mini-series, which will go over how to create README text files.